Good morning everyone. Most welcome to this online class. Class 4, you are the students of class 4, subject science, and myself Mrs. Anjali Sarode, your science teacher from Tata King JV Public School. Children, in previous video we learned lesson 8, water scarcity and conservation of water. Same lesson continue. This is part 2 and today's topic is factor causing shortage of water. So be ready, learn. Factor causing shortage of water. In previous video, I told you about this. There are 3 factors. One is population, second deforestation, and the third setting of factories. So we will learn one by one. Okay. Number 1, population. With increase in population, the demand of water has also increased. Is that clear? जैसे कि पॉपुलेशन बढ़ता है तो वाटर की डिमांड भी बढ़ती है, पीपल बढ़ेंगे तो वाटर भी उतनी चाहिए क्वांटिटी में, है ना. मोर पीपल नीड मोर वाटर बट सप्लाई इज नॉट इंक्रीजिंग. Hence, the amount of water available for each person is decreasing day by day. So, this is the first reason, first factor affecting the shortage of water, and that is population. Now, we will see second number. Second is deforestation. Rain and snow are two main natural sources of water. However, the amount of rainfall and snowfall is decreasing due to change in the climate. Is that clear? These changes are caused by various undesirable human activities. Number 1, कौन सी activity है वो? Yes, this is responsible for you, me, all people, human being. So deforestation is one of the factor, which means cutting of trees in the forest is one such activity. It's affect the shortage of water. Trees are cut and forests are being cleared for building houses and factories. Why we are cutting the trees? क्यों कट करते हैं? For making new houses, buildings, factories, for roads, है ना? So some people cut trees just for earning money by selling the woods of these trees. कुछ लोग तो ऐसे ही पैसा कमाने के लिए wood कट करते हैं. So at present, the number of trees being cut is more than that being planted. So plantation is also important. This decrease in the number of trees result in decrease in rainfall. Strict steps should be taken to prevent deforestation, otherwise shortage of water continue. More and more trees need to be planted to maintain the balance in nature. Nature का balance करना, this is the most important thing. और वो हम कर सकते हैं और हमें वो करना ही है. Okay? So children, if you want to hear the sound of the bird, don't buy a cage. Cage लाके बर्ड्स को अंदर पिंजरे में कैद करने की ज़रूरत है? No, if you want to hear the sound, chirping sound of birds, you plant trees. अगर आप ट्री प्लांट करेंगे तो नेचुरली नेचुरल साउंड आपको एवरी डे एवरी टाइम मिलेगा. सो ऑलवेज प्लांट ट्री. चिल्ड्रन, नेक्स्ट फैक्टर नंबर 3, सेटअप ऑफ फैक्ट्रीज. This is also affecting the shortage of water. So let us learn. Big factories are being set up at different places. And nowadays बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहे हैं. हर सिटीज़ में बहुत सारी फैक्ट्रियाँ ओपन हो रही हैं. This is to meet the growing demand of food stuff, cloth and other materials also. फैक्ट्री डेवलप हो रही है, सिटी आ रही है, डेवलपमेंट हो रही है वहाँ पे, तो नेचुरली पीपल वहाँ पे आएंगे. सो डिमांड ऑफ फूड स्टफ, क्लोथ्स और एवरीथिंग वो तो बढ़ेगी, नेचुरल है. So the factories need a large quantity of water. They fulfill this need by using underground water they use. Due to shortage of rainfall, nowadays underground water does not get filled up against against such as much as it is used. जितना ज़रूरत है उतना हमें वो पानी नहीं मिल रहा है अंडरग्राउंड वाटर. ओके, दिस हैज़ लीड टू शार्प डिक्रीज इन द लेवल ऑफ अंडरग्राउंड वाटर. उसकी भी जो लेवल है नाउडेज डिक्रीज हो रही है, कम हो रही है. सो ऑल three factors affecting the shortage of water. We, number one, population, number second, deforestation, and number third, setting up of factories. Understand? Children, you have to read that page. First page, lesson 8, first and second page you have to read. Underline hard words. It is necessary for you to underline words and write down in your book for practice. Words learn ho jayenge. It's easy to write answer. So have a nice day. Thanks for watching this. God bless you all. Thank you.